Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see inverse proportion. Two quantities are said to be in inverse proportion if one quantity increases while the other decreases in the same ratio. Means it is just opposite of direct proportion. In direct proportion, if one quantity 1 and this is quantity 2, if one quantity increases, other one is increases in direct proportion. But in indirect proportion or inverse proportion, if one quantity increases, the other gets decreases. This is called inverse proportion. Okay, here are some examples like more workers less time. Means suppose assume initially there were 3 workers who are completing a work in 7 hours. Suppose instead of 3 workers there are 6 workers. Then in how much time they will complete the work? Definitely time will decrease, right? They will complete in 3.5 hours because people get increased but time get decreased. This is what we say inverse proportion. If one quantity is increasing, the other get decreases. If one increases, other decreases. If one decreases, other increases. Means suppose assume two people taking time to complete work, they are taking 10 hours. What if a single person takes, usually it takes 20 hours, right? Because two people are doing 10 hours means one person will definitely take 20 hours. So here you can see people reducing, workers are reducing, but time is increasing. Here it is increasing, here it is decreasing. This is what we say inverse proportion. Okay, more speed less time. If you increase speed, definitely will reach in less time, right? Suppose if I am going 20 km per hour for 20 kilometers, I will take 1 hour. What if I go in 40 kilometer per hour? I will take 30 minutes because speed increases but time decreases. That is called inverse proportion. More taps, less time to fill a tank. More machines, less time to complete a job. These are some important questions. More workers, less time, more speed, less time, like that. Okay, here are some points. If one quantity increases, the other get decreases. If one quantity decreases, other will increases, and the product of the two quantities remains same. Okay, let me show. Here are some steps. Identify that one quantity increases while the other decreases. Use the formula A1 into B1, A2 into B2. Step 3, solve the unknown. Let me explain with example. 6 workers complete a job in 10 days. A1 into B1 is to A2 into B2 means A1, A2 both belong to same kind, means if A1 is worker, A2 is also worker. If B is time, then B2 must be time. These two are same kind, these two are same kind. Means if A is workers means A2 must be a worker. If B1 is a time, then B2 must be time. If you write in this order, then definitely will get a unknown value. Means here 6 workers, let me take A as worker. 6 worker completes a job in 10 days. A1 B1 means B1 belongs to A1. This worker time means 6 workers taking 10 days to complete. Then how many days will 15 workers take? A1, A2 is worker only, so here 15. We don't know B2, so we'll write it as B2. As you know, 6 into 10 equal to 60, which is equal to 15 into 15 B2. So 60 by 15 equal to B2, 15 on the 15 for the, which gives 4 days, right? Just equate them, A1 into B1, which is equal to A2 into B2, that's it. A2 into B2, this is the formula. Okay, here also, a car travel distance at 60 km per hour in 5 hours. How many hours will it take at 75 km per hour? 60 km, then this should be kilometer. So 60 km, 75 km per hour. Speed. What about hours? 60 km per hour taking 5 hours. Then 75 km per hour will take how many hours? So multiply 60 into 5, 300. 75 into x, 75x. If you take it to denominator, it gives us 4. Like this we have to solve. If one quantity is increasing, if other quantity is decreasing, then we'll use this method. Okay. Example 3. 8 taps fill a tank in 12 hours. How long will 24 taps take? A1 into B1, which is equal to A2 into B2. Let me take A1 tap, B belongs to hour, time. A1 into B1, 8 tap, 12 hours, so 8 into 12. A2, 24 taps, we don't know time, let it be x. So 8 into 12, 96, 24 into x, 24x. If I take 94 by 24, 96 by 24, which gives x as 4. So we got x value as 4 hours, means 24 taps takes 4 hours. See, taps are increasing, but time is getting decreases. This is called inverse proportion. Here are some questions. Please try to solve on your own and let me know the answers in the comment section. We'll continue next video. Thank you.